everyone, it's me, Nadim. Let's talk about that little box with a red cross, your first aid box. It's your personal emergency room for life's little accidents, scraped knees, paper cuts, mystery bruises. Being prepared isn't just smart, it's how you care for yourself and your loved ones. Not all first aid kits are the same. Your home kit, travel kit, and office kit should fit your needs. A hiking kit might have blister pads, a home kit burn ointment. It's all about context. So, what should you actually put in your box? That's what we're unpacking today. Let's get started. First up, wound care. Whether you're at home, out hiking, or just going about your day, knowing how to properly care for wounds is a skill everyone should have. It's not just about slapping on a bandage. Good wound care can make the difference between a quick recovery and a lingering problem. Let's break down the essentials so you're always prepared. Cuts, scrapes, and gashes are the bread and butter of first aid. These are the most common injuries you'll encounter, whether it's a paper cut, a scraped knee from a fall, or a deeper gash from a kitchen mishap. Each type of wound needs a slightly different approach, but the basics remain the same. Stop the bleeding, clean the area, and protect it from infection. That's why you need a variety of bandages in your kit. Stock up on small adhesive strips for tiny nicks, larger bandages for bigger scrapes, and specialty shapes like knuckle and fingertip bandages for those awkward spots. Having the right size and shape means you can cover the wound properly, which helps it heal faster and keeps dirt and bacteria out. For bigger wounds that won't stop bleeding or cover a larger area, gauze pads and rolls are essential. They're super absorbent and can be layered for extra protection. Once you've got the gauze in place, use medical tape to secure it. Medical tape is gentle on the skin, but strong enough to keep everything where it needs to be, even if you're moving around. But before you cover any wound, always clean it first. This is a step you can't skip. Antiseptic wipes are great for killing germs on the surface, while saline wash is gentle and effective for rinsing out dirt and debris. Cleaning the wound thoroughly reduces the risk of infection and helps the healing process get off to a good start. After cleaning, apply a thin layer of antibiotic ointment. This not only helps prevent infection, but also keeps the wound moist, which can speed up healing and reduce scarring. Just a small dab is enough. Don't overdo it. Remember, the goal is to create a protective barrier while letting your body do its natural healing work. For burns, blisters, or wounds that are especially tender, sterile non-stick pads are a lifesaver. They won't stick to the wound, so changing the dressing is much less painful and won't disrupt healing tissue. And don't forget about eye injuries. A sterile eye pad is a must-have for protecting the eye until you can get medical help. The mantra for wound care is simple: clean, treat, cover. First, stop any bleeding by applying gentle pressure. Next, clean the wound thoroughly. Then, treat with ointment if needed. And finally, cover it with the right bandage or dressing. This routine helps prevent infection, speeds up healing, and keeps you comfortable. With these basics in your first aid kit, you're ready for almost any minor injury life throws your way. It's a good idea to check your supplies regularly and restock anything you've used up so you're never caught off guard. A well-stocked kit is your first line of defense in an emergency. Remember, a little care now prevents big problems later. Proper wound care can mean the difference between a quick, uneventful recovery and a trip to the doctor for an infection. Watch for signs of trouble, like redness, swelling, or pus, and don't hesitate to seek medical help if something doesn't look right. So be the hero in your home or on the go. With a well-stocked kit and a little know-how, you can handle life's bumps and scrapes with confidence. Wound care isn't just a skill, it's peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Now let's talk about what's inside your first aid kit, those essential items that help you tackle pain, fevers, and allergies when they strike. Whether it's a sudden headache, a scraped knee, or a bout of sneezing from seasonal allergies, having the right medications on hand can make all the difference in how quickly you recover and get back to your day. Your kit is more than just a box. It's your first line of defense against everyday discomforts and minor emergencies. Start by stocking up on pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen. These are the go-to medications for reducing pain, lowering fevers, and easing inflammation. It's important to know the correct dosages for adults and children, so keep a dosage chart or instructions handy in your kit. Pain relievers can help with everything from muscle aches after a long day to headaches that come out of nowhere. If you have children, make sure you have age-appropriate versions and always use the dosing device that comes with the medicine. Allergies can pop up unexpectedly, so keep antihistamines ready for action. These are especially useful for sudden allergic reactions to foods, insect stings, or pollen. Fast-acting antihistamines can help reduce symptoms like sneezing, itching, or hives. For skin irritations, hydrocortisone cream is a must-have. It soothes itching and redness from rashes, bug bites, or mild allergic reactions. Having both oral and topical allergy relief options ensures you're prepared for whatever comes your way. For minor burns, sunburns, or scalds, aloe vera gel and burn creams are incredibly soothing. Aloe vera cools the skin and helps reduce inflammation, while burn creams can prevent infection and speed up healing. These remedies are perfect for kitchen mishaps, too much sun at the beach, or accidental contact with a hot surface. Always clean the burn gently before applying any cream or gel, and cover it with a sterile bandage if needed. Don't forget about your stomach. Life happens, and so do tummy troubles. Stock your kit with antacids for heartburn, as well as remedies for indigestion, nausea, or diarrhea. These can be a real lifesaver after a heavy meal, during travel, or when a stomach bug hits. Having a variety of options, chewable tablets, liquid remedies, or dissolvable powders, means you're ready for whatever digestive discomfort comes your way. It's easy to forget, but medicines don't last forever. Make it a habit to check expiry dates regularly, at least every few months. Expired medications can lose their effectiveness or even become unsafe. When you find something past its date, replace it promptly. Keep a small notepad in your kit to jot down what needs restocking, so you're never caught off guard in an emergency. If you or a family member has a specific medical condition, like severe allergies or asthma, talk to your doctor about keeping a spare EpiPen or inhaler in your kit. These life-saving medications should always be within reach, especially if you're traveling or spending time outdoors. Make sure everyone in your household knows where these items are stored and how to use them in an emergency. It's also a good idea to include a list of emergency contacts and medical information in your kit. Proper storage is key to keeping your medicines effective. Store your first aid kit in a cool, dry place. Never in the bathroom where heat and humidity can degrade medications. A closet, pantry, or dedicated cabinet works well. Make sure the kit is easy to access but out of reach of young children. Label the kit clearly so everyone knows where to find it in a hurry. With these basics in place, you'll be able to manage pain, discomfort, and minor health issues quickly and confidently. A well-organized kit means you won't waste precious time searching for what you need when every second counts. It's all about being prepared so you can focus on feeling better, faster. Remember, a well-managed medicine supply isn't just about convenience, it's about peace of mind. By keeping your kit stocked, organized, and up to date, you're ready for anything life throws your way, from minor aches to unexpected emergencies. Take a few minutes today to check your supplies, and you'll thank yourself when you need them most. When you think of first aid, your mind probably jumps straight to bandages and medications. And yes, those are absolutely essential. But to truly be prepared for any emergency, you need more than just the basics. The right tools can make all the difference between a minor mishap and a major problem. A well-stocked first aid kit is like a toolbox for your health. Each gadget and gizmo has a specific purpose, and together, they help you handle whatever comes your way. Let's start with trauma shears. These aren't your average household scissors. Trauma shears are designed to cut through tough materials. Think denim, leather, even seatbelts, quickly and safely. In an emergency, you might need to remove clothing to access a wound or injury, and regular craft scissors just won't cut it, literally. Trauma shears are built with safety in mind, featuring blunt tips to prevent accidental pokes or cuts to the patient. They're a must-have for any serious first aid kit. Next up, tweezers. These small but mighty tools are essential for removing splinters, glass shards, or insect stingers from the skin. Imagine you're out hiking and someone gets a painful splinter, or a bee sting leaves a stinger behind. Tweezers let you act fast and precisely. Look for a pair with a fine tip for the best control, and always keep them clean and ready to use. Safety is a two-way street. Always use disposable gloves when treating wounds or handling bodily fluids. Gloves protect both you and the person you're helping from infection and contamination. Nitrile gloves are a great choice because they're durable and latex-free, reducing the risk of allergic reactions. Make it a habit to put on gloves before you start any first aid procedure, and keep several pairs in your kit. Some injuries need more than just a bandage. Instant cold packs are perfect for reducing swelling, numbing pain, and minimizing bruising after sprains, bumps, or strains. Just squeeze to activate, and you've got cold therapy on the go. And don't forget about emergency blankets, those shiny mylar sheets you see in survival kits. They're incredibly compact but can help retain body heat if someone is in shock or exposed to cold weather. These simple items can be lifesavers in the right situation. If you're trained in CPR, a CPR mask is a must-have. It creates a barrier between you and the patient, reducing the risk of disease transmission while allowing you to deliver effective rescue breaths. Even if you hope you'll never need it, having a CPR mask in your kit means you're ready to act safely and confidently in a life-or-death situation. Cleanliness is crucial in first aid. Alcohol swabs are small but powerful. They're perfect for sterilizing tools like tweezers or scissors, and for cleaning the skin before applying a bandage or treating a wound. Keeping things sterile helps prevent infection and speeds up healing, so always have a stash of alcohol swabs in your kit. Emergencies don't always happen in broad daylight. A small, reliable flashlight is invaluable for finding supplies, checking injuries, or signaling for help in the dark. Choose an LED flashlight for long battery life, and remember to check and replace the batteries regularly so you're never left in the dark when it matters most. Documentation is often overlooked, but it's incredibly important. Keep a small notebook and pen in your kit to record details like the time an injury occurred, what treatment was given, or any medications administered. This information can be vital for medical professionals if further care is needed, and it helps you stay organized during stressful situations. Versatility is key in first aid. A triangular bandage and a handful of safety pins can be used in countless ways, creating slings for injured arms, securing dressings, or even as makeshift tourniquets in extreme cases. These simple tools take up almost no space but offer a world of possibilities when you need to improvise. When you bring all these tools together, you transform your first aid kit from a basic box of supplies into a true emergency response station. Organization is key. Keep everything neatly arranged so you can find what you need quickly, even under pressure. Regularly check your kit to replace used or expired items and make sure everyone in your household knows where it's kept. Emergencies are unpredictable, but with the right gadgets and gizmos, you'll be ready for anything. Not just the obvious cuts and scrapes, but the unexpected challenges that life can throw your way. Take the time to build a kit that goes beyond the basics, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared to help yourself and others, no matter what happens. Supplies are great, but information is crucial. Include a simple first aid manual. Don't just toss it in, actually read it. Keep a written list of emergency contacts and medical info for everyone in your household. Phones die, paper doesn't. List allergies, conditions, and medications. It's a lifesaver for first responders. Make copies for your home, car, and wallet. If you have kids, this info is vital for babysitters or teachers. Documentation is the brain of your kit. Supplies are the hands. Take 15 minutes to put this together. It's peace of mind you can't buy. The right info can save a life. That's your roadmap to the perfect first aid box. Store it somewhere easy to find but out of kids' reach. Check and restock your kit twice a year. Don't let it gather dust. Being prepared isn't about fear, it's about confidence and care. A well-kept kit turns emergencies into manageable moments. Take care of your kit and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching. Be safe and be kind.